What if your PC refuses to start and fixes itself automatically without you doing anything? Sounds impossible, right? Well, Microsoft is quietly rolling out a feature that does exactly that. Many users have faced situations where their computer gets stuck in a boot loop and simply won't start. This can be frustrating and sometimes even leads to data loss or system resets. In recent updates, especially the March Patch Tuesday and February updates for Windows 11, Microsoft has introduced a change. Previously, a feature called Quick Machine Recovery existed, but it was turned off by default. Most users didn't even know it was there. Because of this, when systems failed to boot, users had to manually troubleshoot the issue, which could be complicated and time-consuming. Now, Microsoft has started enabling Quick Machine Recovery automatically for many users. You can find it by going to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery. This feature activates when your PC fails to start properly. If your system gets stuck in a boot loop, it will automatically enter recovery mode and try to fix the issue. Here's how it works. It collects diagnostic data about the error, sends that information securely to Microsoft. If internet is available, searches for a possible fix, then applies changes like repairing files or adjusting boot settings. The goal is simple: get your PC back up and running without manual intervention. This feature is especially important because of past incidents where many systems failed to boot due to software conflicts, including issues related to security or antivirus updates. Now, with Quick Machine Recovery turned on by default, your system has a better chance of fixing itself automatically. If you check your settings and don't see it enabled, you can manually turn it on. It might save you one day when your PC refuses to start. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.